Close your eyes and imagine this. A football player falls down on the field. Crying, he grips his left knee. A mysterious woman with her magical kit runs from the sideline onto the field. She gets to the football player and begins to work her magic. Have you ever been to a sporting event and seen mysterious people like the woman I just described? These people are athletic trainers. I was a student athletic trainer at my high school, and I worked with certified athletic trainers to assist athletes. In this speech, I will inform you about what an athletic trainer is, what they do, and some specific examples of events where athletic trainers were involved. We are now ready to talk about what an athletic trainer is. According to NATA.org, athletic trainers are healthcare professionals who work with physicians to help with injury prevention, emergency care, clinical diagnosis, therapeutic intervention, and rehabilitation. They are commonly found at sporting events, but they can also be found in hospitals and in the military. According to educationportal.com, the average salary of an athletic trainer is $42,090 a year. To become an athletic trainer, also according to educationportal.com, they received at least their college bachelor's degree, but most athletic trainers have their college master's degree. From the same website, the Board of Certification certifies athletic trainers because they reach the requirements of having a degree in an accredited university or school and a passing score on a qualifying exam. Now that we have learned about what an athletic trainer is, I will tell you what an athletic trainer does. Athletic trainers have many jobs. They prepare for injuries that might occur. They have kits, which have tape, first aid supplies. They also have crutches and sometimes an AED on hand just in case an emergency may happen. Athletic trainers also provide water at athletic events or sporting events so that athletes do not become dehydrated. Athletic trainers help athletes with injuries. They do this through diagnosis, which is naming what an injury is, intervention, which is coming in and helping the athlete, rehabilitation, which is getting the athlete back on track to going back to their sport, and injury prevention, which is taping and bracing the athlete's injury. Let's move on to some cases where athletic trainers were involved. There are times where athletic trainers are helpful or not helpful. According to archive.capenews.net, Suffolk University athletic trainer Jeff Stone saved a soccer player's life because he responded to a scene. What happened was that two soccer players' heads collided and one of them went into a grand mal seizure. So the athletic trainer came over, opened his airway, and called 911. This saved the soccer player's life, and this was an incident where athletic trainers were helpful. On the other hand, according to SportRisk.com, a former athlete who had an injury that shortened his career sued an athletic trainer. The original injury was caused to the athlete through weightlifting. The athletic trainer worked with doctors, but went against doctors' orders and released the athlete too early back to weight training, which caused another injury that might have ended the athlete's career. So the athlete sued the athletic trainer, and the court decided that the athlete was correct, and the case was solved. This was an incident where an athletic trainer was not helpful. Now you have learned about athletic trainers. In conclusion, athletic trainers are trained healthcare professionals who help with preparing for injury and assisting in injury. In the specific cases stated earlier, athletic trainers were either helpful or not helpful. Remember the woman from the beginning when she helped the football player with the knee injury. You now know that she is an athletic trainer and that she was trying to assist the athlete with whatever injury he had so that they can go through the steps to get him back on track on the field. These athletic trainers help many people every day. One day, I'd like to become an athletic trainer and help people, specifically athletes. Hopefully, I've helped you learn more about something that I love to do. Thank you for listening.